Hi everyone, and welcome to today's workout. Today we're gonna be training our back. So we are gonna need two dumbbells. One is gonna be heavier than the other. So I'm gonna be using one 20-pound dumbbell and one 10-pound dumbbell. If these weights are light for you and easy, definitely increase by 5 pounds. And once you do the few first repetitions, if you feel like they're way too easy, just pick heavier weights. That's usually how I do it. Progressively overload, and how I keep working on increasing strength and building more muscle. So whenever an exercise starts to feel easier, that's when I'm going to progress to heavier weights, or I will increase the amount of time that I do each set. We're gonna be doing a lot of rows because it's gonna be a focused back workout. However, you're gonna notice that I like to do one side at a time, and that's because I always wanna minimize as much as possible load on the spine. I always wanna protect my spine and work the muscles without developing that lower back tension that you feel at the end of your workout. And a lot of you who like to go to the gym and work out probably can relate to this. You go and you're doing a lot of exercises and a lot of bent over rows or like exercises using the bar, and then you start to feel that tension kind of creeping in at the end of the workout. So for me, I have to avoid that as much as possible. So that's why I like to always have a wall or a bench where I can rest the other side, take some of that load off while I work one side, while I work the other side, and really focus on the contractions, good form, contracting my core, and all of that good stuff. So again, you're only gonna be, you're gonna need two dumbbells for this whole workout, and you can do it with me, or you can watch the exercises and do it on your own at your own time. But overall, I absolutely love the breakdown of these exercises. This is kind of my favorite type or style of working out. I always love to include weights with, of course, some bands and in the beginning for some warm-ups. And